I, Chandrasekhara Venkataraman, I was born in Tiruchirappalli on 7 November 1888. I entered Presidency College Madras on 1902 and in 1904 I cleared my BA examination, winning the first place and a gold medal in physics in 1907. I gained my MA degree and obtained the highest distinction. I was the editor of Indian Journal of Physics. I discovered radiation effect, which bears my name, a new radiation, Indian Journal of Physics. It gives me a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 and it also known as Raman effect. Among my other interests have been the optics of colloids, elasticity and magnetical anisotropy and the physiology of human vision. Thank you.
Hi everyone. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28 February every year to mark the discovery of Raman effect by C.V. Raman. He was the first Asian to receive any Nobel Prize in the science. C.V. Raman quoted, "It was poverty and poor laboratories that gave me to determination to do the very best I could." Every year, NSD is celebrated with a theme that spreads the message about the importance of science and its applications among the people. This year, the theme of NSD 2021 is Future of Science, Technology and Innovation, Impacts on Education, Skills and Work. And to celebrate NSD this year, our lovely students took participation in various activities which you will now watch in this video. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, Ms. Deepa Singh Ma'am, who gave the wonderful platform for us.
Hello everyone, I am Garima Sharma of 11th C. Today I am going to tell you about artificial intelligence. What exactly is artificial intelligence? It is basically the science and engineering of making machines and computer programs. It is a branch of science that aims at stimulation of human intelligence along with studying and producing machines. Technology makes our life easy and helps in any work, but it is a need of every person in day-to-day life because it makes our work effortless. Most examples that you are hearing today, like to chess playing computers, Alexa responding to your voice commands, to self-driving cars, they all rely heavily on artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how Google is able to give you such accurate search result, or how Facebook always give you correct content based on your interest? The answer to all these questions is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is creating impact in all fields of life, like from agriculture to medicine, from single manufacturing unit to Sophia A social humanoid robot, from assisting in classroom teaching to aeronautics. Artificial intelligence is developed by humans, is being used by humans, and for the welfare of whole mankind. Thank you.
Hello, my dear friends. I am a VR device or virtual reality device. I am a small device but can act as a whole science lab. From a virtual field trip to Jurassic Park or a trip to our solar system, all experiences are possible with me. Boarding history and geography. Come alive with me. Give a completely new thrill to the subjects. Transforming an ordinary school bus into Mars shuttle. Yes, possible with me. So you see, VR is taking learning to a whole new level. So dear friends, no worries at all. As your reliable friend, VR is here with you. Thank you, Anjali from class 9th A.
My name is Jaspreet and I'm from class 9th A. Today I'm gonna tell you about drone. Drone is an autonomous flying device and you can also call them UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicle or miniature pilotless aircraft. Over the past few years, drones have become the central to the functioning of various businesses and governmental organizations. It reaches places where man cannot reach. Drones are used in military to scan unreachable military bases. It has many more uses like aerial photography for journalism and film, gathering information, supplying essential to the disaster management, law enforcement and border control surveillance, storm tracking, forecasting hurricanes and tornadoes. Development of hundreds of uses of drones are underway.
Hello my dear friends, I am a 3D printer. I can bring objects out of the computer screen into the real physical worlds and into your hand for analysis and understanding them easily. I give a true understanding to architects when they prepare the model of their building with me. I am being widely used in medicines now, like making 3D organs, etc. Manufacturing units and graphical design all can create beautiful and complicated designs so easily by me. And this is not the end. Children enjoy making their own 3D model by their own hands so easily by me. I carry a large number of amazing experiences with me. Thank you, Mansi Gupta from class 9th B.
Technology and education is a great combination if used together with the right reason and vision. A typical classroom was one classified by students sitting hour-long teachers' lectures, but now it is changing gradually. Recently, more than 12,000 schools has adopted smart classes. Education robotics can represent a helpful solution for those students who cannot attend school. There are many tasks that people don't want to do because such jobs are boring and dangerous. Robots can be also programmed to carry out such tasks that are too complex for humans. To conclude, we can say that robotics and technology, if and when used ethically and wisely, can take us to the new height of success. Thank you.